Ate has a crush on grade 3.
You have a crush, ate? Huh? You have a crush?
What crush? Grade 3. Only grade 3. I think I said that.
You have crush? Do you have a crush, Julian?
Ew, no. All of them.
Yuck.
And in my school and in the other school, I never had a crush. You know why?
Right.
The boys, all of them, the phone was thrown away out of their nose and so and literally it's coming out from their mouth. And the teacher keeps saying, go wash your nose. And from my other school, they're the same and they always take their nose and put it in their mouth.